Road debris often strikes a windshield and creates damage in the glass. Unless the cracking process is stopped early, it will continue to grow. Windshield repair is accomplished by injecting a bonding agent, referred to as resin, into the cracked area. The repair process bonds the glass surfaces together inside the broken area and prevents further cracking or breaking. The purpose of windshield repair is to restore the integrity of the glass and thereby stop the cracking and breaking process, while repairing and improving the optical clarity of the windshield.